First Look Pro provides the fastest and easiest way to access pre-fire plan data on the way to a fire scene. The data is organized on a single screen and designed for ease of use with a mouse or touchscreen. You're only a click away from the information you need. First Look Pro will provide key information for all companies that show up to a fire, including mutual aid companies. First Look Pro organizes all essential data electronically. No more 3-ring binders and loose sheets. Synchronize your data and keep everyone up to date and ready to go. Would you rather be using this or this? First Look Pro is touchscreen friendly. Using a touchscreen is the fastest way to get to your data. First Look Pro's buttons tell you if there's data available. If the red indicator light is on, then there's data available for that category. Let's take a quick look at the general layout of First Look Pro. There are 2 modes of operation, the View mode and the Edit mode. In View mode, you can view and print records but cannot make any changes. In Edit mode, you can create new records, edit existing ones, and attach diagrams and other important files to a record. Occupant Information Area. View and enter general information about the occupancy. Record Navigation Toolbar. Navigate between records, print, create, and delete existing records. Diagram Preview Window. Display diagrams, images, and photos attached to the current record. You can attach all types of files, CAD-Zone diagrams, Word docs, Adobe PDFs, JPEGs and bitmaps, and even Visio diagrams. Information screens. View and enter information about the currently selected occupancy. The screens are designed to be specific for fire and police users. Indicator buttons. Navigate between the different information screens. When there is information associated to a screen, the red light next to it will be on. Pull-down menus. First Look Pro has a series of pull-down menus that make accessing program functions simple. Now let's take a look at the different indicator button fields. Structure. List the building construction class, roof construction, size of the building, and required fire flow. Choose your preferred fire flow calculation, either Iowa State or NFA. Access info. See the best way to gain access to the site and the building, including lockbox, alarm, and annunciator panel locations. Water supply. Display your list of hydrants and alternate water supplies for each site, including volume data and pipe diameters. Protection. Instantly see sprinkler type, FDC and standpipe locations, gas, electrical, and water shutoff locations. Hazmat data. Display hazardous material types, DOT ID number, quantity, and location. Instant access to the entire DOT ERG. Update the order to put the most critical items first. Strategy. Add strategy and mutual aid notes. Know how to approach the occupancy. The mutual aid section is ideal for fire companies that respond to a scene without their own occupancy data. Contact info. Maintain a list of responsible parties with multiple phone numbers. Here's a quick look at some of the other key features in First Look Pro. If there's something missing in First Look Pro, just add it by creating your own user-defined fields. First Look Pro has the ability to connect to dispatch systems. First Look Pro is compatible with the Wiser Hazardous Materials program. Use the Iowa State University or National Fire Academy fire flow calculations. In addition, you can now override those calculations with a detailed fire flow calculation based on the ISO fire flow formulas. No internet connection required. Don't depend on the internet connection for potentially life-saving information. All your important data is stored locally. Synchronize all of your changes to all other computers on your network. Mutual aid allows you to share your pre-planned data with neighboring departments. Create your own master hydrant list or import it from your water department. Ensure your hydrant info is accurate. Print reports for access, hydrant, hazmat information, and more. You can also print a full information blank report that can be taken to the building for inspections. Share the same database with your local police. FirstLook Pro has a mode with specialized police fields. Here are some other tools available separately that work with FirstLook Pro. See exactly where you are and where you want to go with our mobile mapping module. Fire inspectors can use the FirstLook Pro data along with the Inspector Tools module. No need to enter information twice. Import data from your Firehouse Occupancy module into FirstLook Pro with the Firehouse Synchronizer. Create 2D and 3D pre-plan and post-incident diagrams with the FireZone Diagram program. Create pre-planned diagrams in as little as 5 minutes using real-world scale satellite photos with EasyPlan. FirstLook Pro is the best pre-incident planning software available today. How can we make such a bold statement? Because our users tell us it's true.